Here is a Mazda CX-5. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now that's what the lights are. The way to access the bulbs is you have to open up the hatch, and it's the same process on both the sides. I'm just going to show you on the left side. It's the exact same process on the right side. Now right there is the access panel. For that you will need a flathead screwdriver because we're going to put it in that slot there and pull it off from over there. We're going to pry it out. So pry it out the way I'm showing, and it's going to take a few seconds. And pry it exactly the way I'm showing. There's like a clip over there. You got to get that out of it. Right? So get that out. Get one finger in there and then do it from the other side, and it's going to pop off. And that's okay. It's not going to break. It's just going to pop off, and that's okay. See, there's like a second clip over there. So just be patient, and this is what's going to take the most amount of time in this whole video. Rest of it is easy. Now that's the bulb holder right there for the side marker bulb. All you have to do is just grab it and twist it to the left, and that's it. Now it's loose. Pull it out. That's the bulb right over there. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come out. If it doesn't come out, get the screwdriver again and use that to pry the bulb. Again, this is a damaged bulb. We're just trying to replace it, so don't worry about damaging the bulb. Pry it out a little bit the way I just showed, and then you'll be able to just wiggle it and pull it out. That's it. There's the bulb right there. The bulb size is 168 or 194 or T10. Again, 168 or 194 or T10. It's all the same. Get the new bulb, align it over there and push it in. And that's it. Now let's put the bulb holder back in. Now when you're putting it in, it has to sit in properly. See, right now you can see some of that red lens light over there. There's some gap because it's not in. I'm gonna have to do some twisting and turning, and then it'll just drop in. Just like that. See, now it's in. All we have to do now is just twist it right to lock it. So grab it, twist it right a little bit, and that's it. Now it's locked. Let's put the panel back on. The bottom edge goes in first. Align everything, just push it, and now it's in position. That's it. Hope you found the video useful.